Okay, so for anybody that owns a Toyota Prius, you're going to be looking at this cap, which is a 65 millimeter. If you over torque it and somebody has to take it off, or if you damage the cup itself, it has these little teeth up here. Here's another one. This is a brand new one, and it has the actual tab. Slightly damaged over time, but this one is a lot better than what this one is. I would never put this back in a vehicle ever again, just because of the damage there. It says right there, torque to 25 Newton meters. So I wouldn't go over that. This cup is just an oil filter wrench, 65 to 68 millimeters. I picked this one when I was working at Ford, and I didn't use anything else but this one for the longest, and this one sucks. I think I picked it up at AutoZone's or O'Reilly's. It does the job when you're not working on Toyotas like all the time. At the Ford dealership, I definitely get 1 or 2 Toyotas, maybe in like a month. Or this one, I got it out of a 3-piece kit. It's an AST Toyota 640. The only thing that this one is a pain, it's the setup combination that you have to go for. So let me show you my 2 that I was using at Ford. Okay, this is a pain to get on there, and it slips and everything like that. This is all I have to do with this one. It's going in. And I'm in. That's it. Not this one. Not this one at all. This is going in. Okay, this is going in like that. And I am getting a 15/16, and this is coming out like this. Slow, little pressure of it. There's no holes, there's nothing up here, so it's pure suction in here. Alright, so for this one, most definitely you have to get yourself a socket, get on top of there, and get a wrench. It's 3 pieces. You have to hold that up there, or being upside down. You can kind of see this kind of becomes a little bit annoying. So this one is cool. You just put your extension in there, and it's a lot sturdier. It just gives you a little bit more versatility versus this guy. You have to have the socket, and then so if you want an extension, you have to put an extension to this, which goes up, then this goes up. And I came into these guys again. If you're doing one vehicle using this, I'm pretty sure yours is not going to be over torqued. So one day at Toyota, it catches these teeth here. I'm one that's not broken. It would look like that. Falls in there. Those teeth fall in there, nice and snug, and it turns. But who knows where these vehicles go, that they get over torqued, and this is what happens. You can still use it. I still have them. Just don't use these guys at all. Now, after having that problem with those, I found these Leslie, and these guys are sturdy. Again, these are heavy as hell, and then these fit the same way. Never had an issue with these. Fit in there. They have the teeth for extra support. They never get stuck. They're pricey. They're a little bit heavy. But this guy here is a 3/8. So I have this one and the smaller one. All very good options. Even when they're over torqued, they're still dealing with 3/8, and it's fine. This thing is heavy. This thing is not heavy at all. It's heavier than this. It's heavier than this for sure, but you get what you pay for with this, with these, and with those. Comes in with this guy. Didn't really use this guy at all. I mainly bought it because of this. Here's your kit. Toyota Lexus Iron Oil Filter Kit Wrench. New forged design. So this is my 1/2 inch. Shout out to Snap-on for making this awesome grip. So this is my 3/8 right there, and this is my 1/2 inch. Not using this guy for sure. If I have to avoid it, I will. But if I'm in a tight spot and the last thing I do, I have it in my toolkit. But with this guy, I can knock out 20 times what this guy's gonna do. And most guys are looking for speed, especially if you're flat rate. So both of these do the same thing. 3/8, 1/2 inch. This one's gonna do it faster, hands down. So had these for a while. I wanted that 1/2 inch. I got it. So I got it in the kit. And I use this one a lot. Alright. So each one of these has their purpose. I started out with these guys here. Right. We're gonna get to this one last. With this, I broke these. Got some Leicas, definitely not broken. And I got some CTAs. Because I wanted this 1/2 inch one. Wish this one came in a 1/2 inch. So it's like hooking it up to something like that to turn it. Okay, because it's just little by little, but that's very time consuming. This is also time consuming and it's a pain, but you can definitely get it done. But if you're doing 20 Toyota Priuses, none of these options are the option that you want. Okay, so my favorite option and the option that I've been using moving forward in combination with the Leicas there and in combination with that one, I use this guy here. Now this guy is my go-to. Doesn't have any teeth, doesn't have anything up there. It's snug, but it has these like slotted corners there where it has enough air going through it that it doesn't create suction. And in the back right there, I don't know if it allows air to come through that, but it sits in there. $36 on Amazon. You can get this one, and it is amazing. I only wish I had found this one sooner. I like the grooved edges. It sits really snug on like all the Toyota engine oil filter caps, and it also, I like the weight of it. I like the way that it feels. It's plus. I love that it's built into a 1/2 inch drive. So with all these pluses, it is the one that I use the most, and it is by far, I believe it's a lot cheaper than all the other options.